Alright guys, Nifty Thrifty Girl featuring a Singer 401A. This is November 14th, 2015, I think. Singer 401A, it is serviced and ready to go, as all of our machines always are. Cosmetically, it's in very good condition. No major paint loss, paint rubs, damage of any kind. It's in very good cosmetic condition. The 401A, of course, uses the top hat style cams like this, or it has 30 plus stitches already built in, so all except cams number 1 through 5 are redundant because the machine creates the rest of the cam patterns on its own using built-in stitches. This machine was found with no accessories, so I'm just adding with it what I have. Accessories and attachments are easy to find every day on eBay. It is a slant shank machine, and that means that it uses the Singer slant shank attachments and feet. And it uses class 66 bobbins. With this particular machine, as I said, I've put together some things to go with it because it was found with nothing. So with this machine, you get the 1 cam and the 5 cam. Those are 2 of the designs that the machine does not already create on its own using the built-in cam stack. But you could find the original cams or buy all 22 cams if you prefer to have the whole cam set with the machine. It also, I'm putting with it an adjustable zipper or cording foot in slant shank. The special purpose foot. This is a really funky plastic embroidery foot or darning foot. I did test it. It does fit, but it is plastic. Like I said, it's not an original Singer piece, but it is a slant shank attachment. Also in the box is a button sewing foot in slant. You get the original Singer seam or fabric marker, seam guide, and also included is a walking foot. So this is a very nice accessory that's coming with it as well. And besides this stuff, and that's all in a Singer box. It's not an original Singer 401 box, but it is a Singer box, and that holds all that stuff. And also included is a slant shank buttonholer. So you'll get this as well. It has its own instruction book. It has the templates, the screw that attaches it to the needle bar, presser foot, all that good stuff. It has the proper cover that you use to cover the feed dogs. So that comes with it as well, and a PDF copy of the original instruction manual. I'll need your email afterwards so I can send you the PDF copy of the manual. I'm going to sew with it for you here. I've worked and worked a little bit to try to get the tension dialed in. Of course, this being a Singer slant shank 66, it's sometimes difficult to get the tension dialed in, but I think I finally have it. I am using a vintage metal bobbin, and in your box over here I am including 4 vintage metal bobbins. Of course, and that means that the center circle is flat. If you go buy new metal bobbins, the center circle is going to protrude and it could possibly not sew correctly. So you do get 4 vintage metal bobbins in there. And here we go. I'm going to sew for you. This is a zigzag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a built-in pattern here. I like to demonstrate with what I call a domino pattern. I don't know what the technical name, but it's H. You push the front dial in and move it, and you pull the rear dial out and move it. So H and L. And it has to be on number 3. And of course, under your top panel is kind of a chart, a pattern guide that'll tell you, and I'm doing H and L, and you'll see that right here in the center. And those are combination patterns. Those widths are not adjustable, so your stitch width lever has to be set on 3 to do any of these bottom patterns. The top patterns are all adjustable with the width, as well as the cam patterns if you're using a cam. So, and that'll all be explained in the instruction manual, of course. Alright, this is H and L, which, like I said, I call it the checkerboard or domino pattern, whatever. And of course, your length of the stitch can be tighter or loose, up to you. And still, this needs a little bit more dialing in. So I'm going to change, and now we're going to do a main pattern. Let's do B and N. And always set on 0, the knobs turn easier when it's on 0. So we're going to go up here to B, and we're going to go to N here, full width, and that is the pyramid. So it's pyramid. Come on, scissors. So there's your checkerboard pattern there. There's the pyramid that I just created. Zigzagging, as you can see, it needed just a little more tweaking on the tension, but singers are grumpy when it comes to tension. That is the way it is. Every time you change fabrics, you're going to have to adjust your tension. That's why I like Kenmore's better, but that's another video. And once again, that is a Singer 401A that comes with a buttonholer and the box of a few assorted accessories and a couple cams. And it comes to you serviced and ready to work, delivered to your door. My email's underneath the video. If you have any questions, please let me know via my Gmail down there. And good luck. And I hope you are the winner of this machine and you give it a new home. Thank you very much.